Hi guys, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I'm covering Curdi. It's called Vaddem here in South Goa next to Netulem. So that's the water there. It's a dam area. So I'm covering this area from here. I'll go somewhere else. So please do subscribe my channel if you like this video guys. Okay then let's do this. Alright guys, so that's a Vaddem colony 2 and previous one was one colony, so I'll go there and check it out what's there. Okay guys, this is the Netravali road here. I'm outside now on the other road, this side. This is the Netravali road here. And from this road I have come now from Vade. I won't go to Netravali there because I have already shooted there before, couple of months back. So I'll take this road from there, few kilometers, even I don't know how much. I'll take the ride from there, and inside road I will take to Kurpe. They call something Kurpe, that road from here. And this is the all forest area here. I don't know people how they live here because we are belongs to the city there. That's why it's all forest area here. Okay guys, from here I will end this video because I'll take other video from here. This will be too long, that's why. So if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.